Hello everyone. If you're trying to play Halo Campaign Evolved and your game is stuck on a black screen, then you have come to the right place, because in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Halo Campaign Evolved stuck on a black screen easily. So first off, you need to make sure that your graphics card drivers are fully up to date. So you're going to open up your web browser. I'll show you Intel first, and then I'll show you AMD and NVIDIA. Click on to Resources and Support, and then Drivers. You're going to scroll down, click on to Graphics, Radeon RX, select your graphic card series, and then Model. Click Submit. Click on your operating system. Click on to Download here on the latest Intel Adrenalin Edition. Now on to AMD. Go on to amd.com. Click on to Drivers here. You're going to fill in this manual driver search form, so select your graphic card series, model, and your operating system. After that, click Find here. Now it will look for the correct GeForce Game Ready driver for your computer. Once it's done finding the GeForce Game Ready drivers, you're going to go ahead and download it. Now on to Intel. You're going to click on to Support, Download Center. Click on to Graphics then. You're going to search for your graphics card here, and then download the latest Intel Arc graphic card drivers on your computer and install them. Once you're done installing the drivers, now what you're going to do is you're going to open up the Xbox app. It doesn't matter if you have the game on Xbox or not. Click onto your account and then Support. Gaming Services Repair Tool. Click Start Repair here. This can take a minute or two. Once it's done with this process, now what you're going to do is you're going to close this up. You're going to open up your games platform, which is Steam for me. Right-click on Halo Combat Evolved. Click Properties, Installed Files. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files here. Once you do that, now you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.